welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jacqui. So for those who are new into my channel, thank you so much for subscribing and liking my videos. And so for this video, I'm going to try on and give you some honest reviews about the ColourPop Disney Villains Misunderstood palette, which is this one. So if you're curious in how I've done this type of villain eye makeup look, just keep on watching and don't forget to like on this video afterwards. First, I'm just gonna apply concealer using the Instant Age Rewind of Maybelline New York. So this is my favorite concealer because it really blurs out my dark under eye. Next is I'm gonna get my sponge. I'm just going to blend the concealer and tap it gently onto my face. I usually wet this sponge first, sure that it's like damp before I use it, because I don't want the feeling of the sponge being dry because it's kind of comfortable on my face. After that, what I usually do is I prime my face first using Angel Veil NYX Professional Makeup. And I'm just gonna get a little and then I'm gonna rub it on my face using my clean fingers. There you go, guys. So I usually start by doing eyes first before putting any foundations. First is that I'm gonna prime my eyes using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I don't have an eye primer right now. So if you guys don't have an eye primer, it is advisable or it's okay to use concealer on your eyes. I've already tested and proven that. So this concealer is actually empty, but then wala tayong pambili. So pagtiyagaan natin. And I'm gonna use my beauty blender and just dab it all the way. So there you go. And then after that, guys, I'm gonna go and start using the palette. Will you say hi? Wait, oh, not there!
Hi everyone!
This is my husband.
Wow.
Babe!
This is what you do.
Hey, stop! You're ruining my background!
Okay, bye. I love you.
Love you!
Have fun.
Close the door, please! So ayan, commercial lang tayo. I'm gonna start by applying nose spot. Go and tap this. Then I'm gonna put something inside of my eye. So after the base, we're gonna go ahead and proceed with the transition shade, and I'm gonna use the shade Tragic. I'm just gonna apply it using my fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my crease. So this shade is kind of cream or light brown. That's why it's good for transition. And now we're gonna go ahead and apply on my upper crease the shade Forest of Thorns. Wow. It is so pigmented, guys. So the shades that I'm using right now are my favorite shades in this palette. For my lower crease, I'm gonna use the shade Diablo. So before I use the medium size of my angle brush, I'm just gonna use this tiny angle brush just to create an outline for my outer V corner. There you go. And then next, I'm gonna grab my medium size angle brush and just go ahead and dab more. And I'm gonna put the shade Revenge, which is a sparkly black shade. And so for my lid, I'm going to apply the shade Jetsam. And I'm gonna use my finger on it. Using a flat brush, I'm just gonna go and spray a little. So next, I'm gonna go and apply some on my inner corner using the shade Mongrels. And now we're just gonna remove the tape. Then I'm just gonna finish my under eye using the same shades that I've used. So next is my eyebrow. I'm just gonna go and use Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Gonna go and brush it lightly upwards. So next, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner using the e.l.f. Jet Black Liner. So as of now, I'm not gonna be using false eyelashes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my CoverGirl Exhibitionist Mascara. So I haven't tried this yet. This was given by my cousin Amy. Shout out to her. I love this mascara because it actually thickens my lashes. For some reason, it makes my lashes look longer and bolder. So I'm done with my eyes, and next is my face. What I usually do is apply another concealer under my eye. Afterward, I just leave it like that and proceed with my foundation. So I'm gonna use, my favorite foundation is NARS foundation, Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. This one, as you can see guys, it's almost dead. It's almost empty, pero go lang ng go, tinatsaga ako kasi nga I can't afford to buy another bottle. Masyado siyang mahal. Tagtipid tayo guys. So, ayan. Konti na lang talaga. Ewan ko kung kita nyo ba yung laman niya. Wala na siya eh. Paubos na talaga, as in zero. It's like empty already and zero anymore. But then, there's like tiny bit of it that I wanted to still get. Kaya, sige lang. Kunin natin. Sana lang makuha ko pa. Para makuha natin. Ayan! Here! There you go! Thank you! Then, next, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my beauty blender. Someone's generous out there who's going to just give me free NARS foundation. I will be more happy to receive it. After that, we're just gonna go and put some powder or setting powder onto my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. So next, we're gonna go and apply contour and some blush as well. So I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. First, I'm gonna go and contour my face using the Hitty. I'm just gonna go and put some highlighter using the shade Fiji and Sikilis. And last but not the least, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some blush on my cheek using the shade Zanzibar. There you go. So as you can see, what I could say about this palette is that I really love the shades of it. Some of the shades or some of the colors aren't that pigmented, and it's not very blendable, especially the Diablo. When I have applied it on my upper crease, I don't know if I should be using my finger instead or the brush because it doesn't blend lightly and smoothly onto my crease. The Tragic is pigmented as well for the transition. The fades, all of the shades are very pigmented. But then as you can see, it's messy already. It's kind of powdery and it does create a little bit fallouts whenever you use your brushes in applying it. Nevertheless, this eyeshadow palette is very gorgeous. So thumbs up to ColourPop Villain's Misunderstood palette. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you again for watching my tutorial. I hope you keep on subscribing, and for those people out there who are new into my channel, thank you so much for liking and for watching and subscribing on my channel. Thank you, thank you.